Good afternoon, everyone. This is Courtney Brown, and today we will be talking about how to make a Venn diagram. So first, we're going to talk about what is a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a way of comparing two topics, and so usually you will be using these when you're looking at the similarities and the differences between two different things. So the first step in making a Venn diagram is that you need to decide what topics will I be comparing. For the example that we're going to do together, we're going to talk about two things that most everyone should know about, and that is horses and cows. So the first step of actually making your Venn diagram, not just deciding the topics, is to create a circle. And at the top of the circle, you are going to label it with one of your topics. So see here, I made a big green circle, and at the top it says horses. Next, you're going to make another circle for your second topic. In this case, ours is cows, so that is what the second circle is labeled. A very important part of making a Venn diagram is to make sure that your two circles are overlapping. So you see right here, you have this section of your two circles that come together, and so this part that says both is a part of the horses circle and a part of your cows circle. So you have three different parts. The part for just the horses in this circle, the part for just the cows in this circle, and the part for both of them, right here in the middle where the two circles intersect or overlap each other. So then you're going to start writing characteristics of the topics in the parts of the circle that it belongs to. So we're going to start out with the differences. So differences between the two topics go in either the first topic circle or the second one. So for example, under horses, you have that they have manes, they say neigh, and they eat hay. So these are characteristics that only belong to horses because cows don't have manes, they don't say neigh, and they don't really eat as much hay as horses do. So similarly, you have characteristics over here that only belong to cows, which is that they have udders, they say moo, and they eat grass. So you have only cow characteristics over here and only horse characteristics over here. So the fifth step, you might be asking, well, where do I put the similarities or the things that my two topics have in common? Well, that's a great question. You're going to put that right here where the circles intersect each other. So you have this section that we labeled both, and right here you're going to put things that apply to both of your topics. So in this case, we're going to label it with things that belong to both horses and that also belong to cows. So you have that they live on farms, they are mammals, and they have four legs. So as you can see, horses live on farms, so do cows. Horses are mammals, so are cows, and they both have four legs. Congratulations, you just made a Venn diagram. These are useful for practically any subject, and they are very helpful when you're comparing two topics that maybe you get confused with each other and you need to clarify the similarities and the differences in order to make more sense of it. So thank you for listening to this lesson, and I hope that you use Venn diagrams in all of your classes in the future. Thank you.